If you've ever wondered how to embed a pop-up survey on your website without wasting hours messing around with code or clunky tools, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, using software that's actually easy to use. And yes, there's an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel linked below, so you can follow along and try it for yourself. Now, before we dive in, here's why this matters. Pop-up surveys are one of the fastest ways to collect real-time feedback from your visitors, boost engagement, and even guide them towards conversions. But only if done right. And that's what this walkthrough is for. Start by signing up for the free trial using the link in the description. It's exclusive to Dan Thorne's viewers. Once you're in, head to the dashboard. Click Create New Campaign and select Survey Pop-up. You'll get a clean visual builder, no coding needed. Next, choose your survey type. You can pick from multiple choice, rating scale, or short text answers. Keep it to 1-3 questions max. People don't want to write essays. Now style it. Match your website's colors and font, and don't forget to update the headline with a clear ask, like "Help us improve" or "Quick question for you." Then set a delay of around 5 to 10 seconds, so it doesn't interrupt visitors the moment they land. Time to set your targeting. This is where it gets powerful. You can trigger the survey on specific pages after scrolling a certain percentage, or even on exit intent. This software lets you do all of that without writing a single line of code. Once your pop-up survey looks and behaves the way you want, go to Embed and copy the code snippet. Head over to your website editor, whether it's WordPress, Shopify, or anything else, and paste it into the header or tag manager. Save and publish. Now, refresh your website. You should see the pop-up survey exactly where and when you set it to appear. Here's the key takeaway. Embedding a pop-up survey doesn't need to be technical or time-consuming. With the right tool, you can launch one in minutes and start getting valuable insights from your visitors today. Quick recap. Sign up for the free trial in the description, create a pop-up survey in the visual builder, style and target it, copy the embed code and paste it into your site. Done. And again, if you want to follow along with the same tool I used, check out the exclusive trial link in the description. It's the easiest way to test this on your own site risk-free. That's it. Fast, simple, and actionable. Thanks for watching.